வணக்கம். மேங்க்ரோவ் காடுகள் குறித்து ஒரு பயிலரங்கம் ஒன்று நடைபெற்றது. இந்த மேங்க்ரோவ் காடுகள் நமக்கு எவ்வாறு பயன் அளிக்கிறது, நமது தீவுகளுக்கு மேங்க்ரோவ் காடுகளின் முக்கியத்துவத்தை இந்த ஒர்க் ஷாப் வலியுறுத்தியது. அதாவது மேங்க்ரோவ் காடுகள் மூலமாக சுற்றுச்சூழலுக்கு ஒரு பாதுகாப்பு கிடைக்கிறது. அது மட்டுமல்லாமல் இதன் மூலமாக விலங்குகள், பறவைகள் போன்ற உயிரினங்களுக்கும் இந்த மேங்க்ரோவ் காடுகள் மிகவும் பாதுகாப்பு அளிக்கிறது என்று இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியில் விவாதிக்கப்பட்டது. மேங்க்ரோவ் காடுகளில் எத்தனை வகைகள் இருக்கு என்பதை பற்றியும் இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியில் சொல்லப்பட்டது.
To Andaman Nicobar Islands. After my introductory notes, the technical session will start. As all of you know, the mangroves are the intertidal communities which is sheltered between the marine ecosystem as well as the terrestrial ecosystem. They are a unique group of plants which have the high ability to sustain in immense harsh conditions, mostly in saline water, high velocity winds, cyclones, tsunamis, etc. They are mostly distributed over tropical and subtropical regions of the world. Beyond the subtropical region, there is no mangroves. There, the mangroves are replaced by salt marshes, where the height of the plants will be very short. But only in the mangroves, large trees are there. They generally shows a great degree of adaptation, starting from the roots, in the leaves, in the fruits as well as in the leaves, to make them susceptible or to adapt themselves in a harsh condition in the saline waters. Biotic pressure and natural calamities play a major role in negatively impacting mangrove ecosystems. As I have already told, it is not easy for the normal plants to sustain in a very difficult environment. What I mean by difficult environment, all of you may be knowing that in the coastal areas, the water is saline, there is high wind velocity, there is always chances for tsunamis and other kind of natural calamities. So normal plants cannot sustain in such areas. So to sustain such areas, mangroves develop certain kind of adaptations. These are called adaptations, which are seen mostly in 4 areas. First is in their root system, second is in their leaf system, third is in their fruit system, next is the seeds. So because of this type of adaptations, only these plants are able to survive. This is a special adaptation for the mangroves. This type of adaptations are not seen in the terrestrial plants. Because terrestrial plants there is no issue of submergence. But in the mangrove areas, the proximal spawn species, that is species which are seen near to water, they adaptation of the mangrove. Second is, since they are living in a salty environment, excess salt will enter into their plants and tissues. So they require to explode the excess salt water mostly in the leaves. That is our second adaptation. Third is in the reproduction is called vivipary. This is also unique for mangroves. Then regarding the seeds, since these plants grow in a watery environment, if the heavy seeds of mangroves are shed from the mother tree and if there is no special kind of adaptation, normally the seeds will sink in the water. So in order to prevent that, the seeds of mangroves will be spongy. They will have the ability to float in the water. They have the high buoyancy. Because of that, they will float, and once they will be shored away. So these are the 4 types of adaptation in root system, in the leaves, in the fruits and the seeds. Any other plants which are seen in the mangroves but does not have this type of adaptation are generally called mangrove associates. This is just for your information. Please note that any plants which is seen in the coastal area are not regarded as mangroves. There are clear-cut difference between species. Those out of the 14 species of mangroves represented in the whole of Asia, these the Andaman Nicobar Islands.
देखते हैं सर ऑफिस में खाली वाला पर बनाए
थोड़ा ना तो बाहर
विजय बाबू का हाथ है
ये सब क्या बचा काम हो गया
खाली डब्बा
ठीक है ना रात में गाड़ी में लेकर स्टोर ही हम लोग ये बुक्स किसके देने का
ठीक है वहाँ से कुछ
मेरा नहीं करता है इसको बहुत
மற்றும் ஒரு செய்தியில் நாம் சந்திப்போம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.